Hi, darlings! My name is Rose. I just finished my contract as a pediatric home health last month. The transition feels exciting, humbling, and a lot scary, but I guess it's part of growth professionally and growth personally. So now I'm stepping into a new chapter working in a hospital here in the US. So 16 years na akong graduate and ngayon ko lang na-fulfill yung American dreams ng parents ko sa akin. As some of you who watched my videos before, I tried different jobs. Nag-real estate ako, call center, and everything. And nursing, clinic nurse, public health nursing, lahat yata ginawa ko na. Pero kasi 3 years ago, I had an opportunity to be a nurse here, to be a pediatric home health. And now, tapos na yung 3 years. So, libre na akong gawin whatever I want. And, syempre, para masustain ko yung mga gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko, like fashion, kailangan kong gawin yung dapat kong gawin, which is to be a nurse. So now, nag-apply ako as a nurse here sa New Jersey. So it's one of the big hospital here. And I'm excited. And at the same time, I'm scared. Kasi iba yung practice nila dito. Background, meron akong med-surg background sa hospital for 3.5 years. And now, ngayon, ang area ko is adult surg flow. Adult surg flow is like yung mga patient na galing sa ER. Dapat may admit sila sa med-surg or sa other areas. But then, hindi sila ma-admit kasi puno. Malaki yung hospital, puno. So, ang nangyayari, nasa stuck sila sa overflow. So, that's where I come. Dun ako papasok. So, I have to be trained sa tele. So, ngayon, tele, med-surg, and probably ER, halo-halo na magkakasama na. And it's scary kasi, like today, it's my off day. And I've been in the hospital. I've been working in this hospital for magto 2 weeks. Magto 2 weeks na. And it's a back-to-back training. Ang dami talagang kailangang tapusing requirements. And some of it, medyo mahirap yung adjustment kasi some of it hindi nahapyawan lang eh. Nahapyawan lang sa Philippines. Hindi talaga tinuturo in detail. Like, telemetry. Siguro may mga cardio cases akong ma-handle noon, but it's not as detailed. Like we have doctors there who would interpret ECG, but dito sa States, we have to do it, and they only gave us like 2 days. So today, it's my off day. I need to study about the ECG workout, and I have to really understand and master it. Or siguro hindi man master it, but to read, to learn how to read it. So, isa yun sa mga adjustment na kailangan kong gawin. And if you're into that or you're interested in becoming a nurse here in the US, follow along my journey and hopefully meron kayong mapulot sa akin. Meron kayong matutunan about these videos. So I'll be sharing experiences, lessons, and real-life moments along the way. So if you're interested in learning more about it, and if you're curious about nursing, adjusting to change, or simply want to follow my journey, please come along and let's grow together. That's it for today, my darlings. Stress your best and align with your joy.